Welcome to my video showcasing the 5 best cool tech gadgets that you can buy this year. It's never been easier to stay connected and on the cutting edge of technology. With so many options available, it can be tough to decide which products are worth your money. That's why I've done the research to bring you the top 5 gadgets that will make your life easier, more organized, and more fun. I'm sure you'll find something that will bring enjoyment and convenience to your life. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the world of cool tech gadgets that you can get your hands on this year. Number 5. HEISR 3-Sided Wraparound Toothbrush. The HEISR 3-Sided Wraparound Toothbrush is an innovative and revolutionary new way to brush your teeth. It's designed to follow the BASS method brushing recommended by the American Dental Association and has 10 distinct movement patterns to fit teeth of varied thicknesses. The mechanical sonic-powered PBT bristles are angled at 30 degrees and float up and down to adapt to the contours of your teeth. What's more, it has a compact charging station that can last up to 2 months on a single charge. Never worry about your electric toothbrush running out of juice ever again. This is a great toothbrush to have in your bathroom to make brushing easier and more efficient. Highly recommended. Number 4. Soundway Foldable Ultrasonic Purifier. The Soundway Foldable Ultrasonic Purifier is an amazing product that can make your food clean and ready to eat in just 10 minutes. This device is so effective because it uses ultrasonic cavitation to produce mechanical and thermal effects, strong impact and high temperature and pressure to strip away dirt from the food surfaces. The best part is that you don't need to add any additional chemicals to the water, making it a safe and clean way to wash your food. We highly recommend this product for anyone who wants to ensure their food is clean and safe to eat. Number 3. PARRIOR Alpaka Electric Spin Scrubber. The PARRIOR Alpaka Electric Spin Scrubber is an incredibly powerful and versatile cleaning tool, ideal for tackling even most stubborn of stains. Its snap-on assembly and universal mounting interface make it incredibly easy to use, and its adjustable brush head angle allows for optimum cleaning results. Its fast charging time of 1.5 hours provides 2 hours of continuous use. Its free custom hook supports up to 15.4 pounds of weight, and its extended brush head handle, thickened bristles, and improved bristle quality make it much easier to use and ensures that it doesn't scratch your surfaces. Overall, an excellent cleaning tool that is definitely worth a try. Number 2. Pronto and Alto Pressure Cooker and Air Fryer Lid. The Cooking Pal team has recently released an all-new 8-in-1 pressure cooker and air fryer duo, Pronto and Alto. This dream team is the smartest and safest on the market. With features like an automatic pressure release system and cool-to-touch handles, you can rest assured that your family and you will be safe while using it. Not only is it safe, but Pronto and Alto are also incredibly versatile, allowing you to replace multiple kitchen appliances and enjoy juicy meals without sacrificing crisp textures. With Pronto and Alto, you can effortlessly cook easy, healthy, and tasty meals in your own kitchen without compromise. Number 1. eyeSpa Spa Massager. The eyeSpa Spa Massager is the perfect way to refresh your eyes. With its advanced heating and cooling technology, it instantly heats up to 114 degrees Fahrenheit, 46 degrees Celsius, or cools down to 59 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 degrees Celsius, in seconds, providing immediate relaxation and skincare. Its special vibration and cushioning technology is designed to give you a massage like a professional massage therapist. The eyeSpa also has an ultrasonic device that turns water into fine 3mm droplets to moisturize your skin. The eyeSpa app also allows you to select your favorite pre-built massage mode and shut off automatically after a treatment. Overall, eyeSpa is a great way to relax and moisturize your skin and is highly recommended for anyone looking to get spa-like treatments at home.